Good morning, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and here I have today a 2 half-gallon jars with potatoes and carrots. And believe it or not, this is my 25 pounds of carrots. And yes, I did peel them, but I also peeled the potatoes. And maybe I put a few in the refrigerator to eat fresh, but only about 5 or 6, not many. So my 50-pound bag of potatoes netted me at least 3 of these, whereas my 25-pound bag of carrots netted me only 1 half-gallon jar. So anyway, today I'm planning to do a rehydrate test before I vacuum seal and store these. So I'm going to take a few out. Don't need many for this test, and I will be vacuum sealing these jars for good once I complete this test. And these are the ones that I used my little quarter chipper on. Okay. My kettle's boiled, and I'm just going to soak these in hot water. And it really doesn't matter how much water because I can drain off what I don't need. So I've got them in clear containers so that they're visible. So we're just going to leave them here and determine how much time it takes for them to rehydrate. And I could see the carrots are already starting to float a bit. So anyway, let's see. Okay, and I could see that the carrots are already starting to float a little. And we're just going to leave them here to determine how long it's going to take to rehydrate them. So in future, when I do want to use them, I know that if I'm going to use them fresh like this, that they need to be rehydrated before I use them. I would like to know how much time it would take. If you're just going to put these in a stew, they could probably be just tossed in dry. Okay, so this is about an hour and a half later, and carrots are mostly rehydrated. They could use a little more time. Potatoes still have a bit of a soft center, or sorry, a hard center. So I would recommend at least a few hours for potatoes, and probably the same for the carrots. You get them totally, but mind you, those are softer much quicker than these. These still have a bit of a hard center. Of course, the other option is just to take a few, put them in a mason jar with boiling water, and put them in your refrigerator overnight, and they should be ready for you for the next day. So, but yeah, it works, and great for long-term storage. 15 to 20 year storage capacity for dehydrated vegetables. And yes, I will be vacuum sealing these jars. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills. Hope you found this video informative, and we hope to catch you on the next one. Bye for now.